YouTube, what's up? It's your boy B here, man. Coming to y'all with a quick video of, the disaster that we're witnessing in cryptocurrency, as some people would say. So, those of you who know, who've been in the game or in the game, know that, the Bitcoin ETF decision has been postponed until September. Now, those of you who or I'm gonna say who've been in the game for a while, could be long-term holders, hodlers, crypto term, um, shouldn't be surprised about that decision. And like I stated before, if you guys follow me on Twitter, it's almost to be expected, especially with a situation like this. Not too long ago, Starbucks, it was massive postings all on the web talking about Starbucks is partnered with Microsoft, to allow people to utilize Bitcoin, pretty much pay for their coffees and things like that. Or it was talks about it. They're supposed to be partnering with, the former company called Barat or something along those lines. And, that made headway. People wonder why the price of Bitcoin didn't move. Then the news came out that the ETF was not making a decision this month and that it was going to be pushed back to September. After that news, Bitcoin pretty much just plummeted. Cryptocurrency in general just plummeted. And as we can see, when the coin market cap, I'll do a fresh refresh real quick so we can see what's currently going on. Right now, Bitcoin is at, just above $6,000. Ethereum at $332. Got XRP, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Stellar, Litecoins at under $60, so right now things are not looking good. However, my word of advice to people who are invested in this market, and like I said, this is not financial advice, is pretty much, if you believe in something, stick with it. Trust that feeling that you have inside of yourself. If you feel as though this ain't the market for you, this ain't the market for you. You get what I'm saying? But, like I tweeted earlier, I made a comment in regards to, people going back to my $20 rule. And pretty much I just made a tweet, not too long ago. It says, remember my $20 rule. Why spend $20 on something with no return and it be gone forever with no chance of ever making you any money? Take a chance on yourself. Now, this is not to persuade anyone to, invest in cryptocurrency or further invest in cryptocurrency. My thing is, I'm just saying, I can think of a couple things that I can use $20 on that'll go just like that. I'm not going to get that money back. That same $20 that I put in, I'm not getting that back. You understand what I'm saying? Now, just like investing in stocks and things like that, you invest your money to try to get a return. Everything is based off of revenue, based off of return on investment. People want to make money. I get it. I understand that. But at the same time, cryptocurrency is a new day and age. If cryptocurrency wasn't such a big deal, do you think it would be getting this much mainstream media? People have to ask themselves that. And it's so easy for someone to make a video, when the crypto market is booming, things are going good, things are going right. People can, do their little analysis and charts and things like that and try to give you some prices for likes and subscriptions or whatever, subscribers. But it's not too many people that I know who are going to actually make a video, during these rough times or whatever. You understand what I'm saying? So I come out and I tweet during these times. You know why? Because not a lot of people doing it. A lot of good people I'm cool with on Twitter does it. A lot of people I'm cool with on Twitter in the crypto Twitter world, who are YouTubers and things like that, they do it. You get what I'm saying? Is it hard? Is it challenging? Absolutely. But at the same time, it's all a part of the game. You feel me? Don't just, ride the wave and talk good and talk when things are going up. You got to talk about them things when they're going down too, or when things are not so great as we're in right now. I made a tweet, a couple weeks ago. Well, not even a couple weeks ago. I'm in a group and I also tweeted about, a possibility of Litecoin going down to $50. I still believe that. You understand what I'm saying? So my thing is, we got to have a nice strong pullback, to be able to catapult to, a further length. You get what I'm saying? Sometimes you got to take a step back a couple of times. Sometimes you take a step back 3 steps back just to get 1 step forward. You understand what I'm saying? You guys know that. You know how the saying is and all that. But the reason why I wanted to make this video is because at the same time, I know a lot of people are just questioning people who who talk about crypto, such as myself, and probably like, oh, well, where the guys at now? Crypto market is shit and taking a shit, and they're not talking. But man, everybody know how to talk, man. It's like to me, it's no point just to talk during the when times are up. You know what I'm saying? Because the same thing you hear all the time is, oh, when Lambo, when we mooning, this other bullshit. You get what I'm saying? So at that same time, you can still talk some shit when the shit is low too. You feel me? So my thing is, this is not financial advice. You guys know I don't do that shit. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not going to do that. But I just want to I want y'all to, think about some things in regards to cryptocurrency in general. Like I said, if Bitcoin wasn't a big deal, it would not begin to entertain that much. And my personal thinking, and this is just my personal opinion, I think Starbucks got slapped on the wrist real quick, and they were so excited to make that big announcement partnership with Microsoft and bringing cryptocurrency to their franchise, and having another form of payment or whatever that excuse me real quick, my fucking Central Air came on, but they got excited. This all happened right before the alleged Bitcoin ETF decision was supposed to be made. I think it all plays in hand. You get what I'm saying? So now they need a little bit more time to drop that price down a little bit more, a little further, so the people who didn't get a chance to get in, when the prices was right, whatever price they feel is right, now they're trying to bring that price down as much as possible so everybody can get in. Just pay attention, man. I'm not curious. I don't want to say I'm curious to see how the market's gonna go within the next couple of months, especially after the decision is made with the Bitcoin ETF. Now, personally, I think we need the ETF. You understand what I'm saying? Because this is going to bring people who are out on the limb with debating if they want to get into this new asset. You feel what I'm saying? So I think if they can feel a little bit more secure when they make this investment, due to the high vitality, excuse me, I think that they'll understand that, once they feel comfortable and things like that, they'll get in, and that's when the money's going to start pouring in. But like I said, I'm not selling my stuff. I came in the game with a long-term holding mindset, and that's what I'm going to continue to do. And don't forget the whole point of adoption. You feel me? Bitcoin, Litecoin are going to pave the way to being able to make purchases digitally using digital currency. So I just wanted to put that out there real quick, man. Make a quick video and tell you guys, man, everybody who's sitting here holding, man, listen, just go back to the reasons why you got into crypto and go back to the mindset you had. Now, this is going to make or break you. You feel me? These things happenings right here are pretty much to what's the word I can say, are to wean out the weak hands. So I've been holding since when a massive drop of from December to January, and I've been holding ever since. Of course things are at a these lows are pretty much close to back when we seen that right before the massive drop. I mean, a massive spike in price. So a lot of people speculated that was inflated pricing or whatever. So who knows, man. But like I said, they're trying to regulate it. They got to make their money too, man. You know how it is, man. But we got to keep everything decentralized. You feel me? So I just wanted to put this video out here real quick. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know your opinions. Did y'all leave cryptocurrency? Are you thinking about leaving? You know what I mean? Be honest. We're human. You get what I'm saying? And I respect you either way. But let me know what you guys think down below. As always, like and subscribe. And, I appreciate you guys showing love and coming and checking me out today. All right? Y'all have a good one. Have a blessed one. Peace.